then the fire and out along the sea, crazy man Michael was walking. Well, he met with a raven with eyes black as coals, and shortly they were a-talking. Your future I will tell to you. Your future you often have asked me. Your true love will die by your own right hand, and crazy man Michael will cursed be. Well, Michael he ranted and Michael he raved, and he beat the four winds with his fist so. Well, he laughed and he cried and he shouted and he swore, for his mad mind had trapped him with a kiss so. You speak with an evil, you speak with a hate, you speak for the devil that haunts me. For is she not the fairest in all the broad lands? Your sorcerer's words are to taunt me. He drew out his dagger of fire and of steel, and he struck that raven through the heart oh. Well, the bird fluttered long and the sky it did spin, and the cold earth did wander and start oh. Oh, where is that raven that I struck down dead, that here should lie on the ground oh. I see but my true love with a wound so red, where my lover's heart it should pound oh. Well, Michael he wanders and Michael he walks, and he talks to the night and the day oh. His speech it is plain and his eyes they are clear, and he longs to be far away oh. While Michael he whistles the simplest of tunes, and asks the wild wolves for their pardon, for his true love has flown into every flower grown, and he must be the keeper of the garden. His true love has flown into every flower grown, and he must be the keeper of the garden.